How to recover my Telegram account with a phone number. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover my Telegram account with a phone number. First, launch the Telegram app on your phone. To recover your account, the phone number is necessary. Now, select your country code and enter your phone number. Then tap Continue. It will send an activation code to your number via SMS. You need to provide this 6-digit code to recover your account. After that, your account will be recovered and regain access to your messages and contacts. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.